This is تمرين واحد of lesson 8, الدرس الثامن of كتاب أدوات الربط. And in this lesson we are learning about lam, la, and lan with the verb, present tense verb, along with فحسب, bal, and then كذلك or أيضا. Also فقط is also used. So here in these sentences I'm going to help you with the Arabic, and you're going to put in the correct connectors. So I'll give you an example in number 1 to help you work it out. Number 1, blank يعمل في الصحافة, he works in journalism. Blank بل يعمل كاتبا مسرحيا, he works as a playwright as well. So here we're going to say لا يعمل. So again, look at the second verb. Okay, بل يعمل. So that's present tense. So here we're going to use لا يعمل في الصحافة فحسب بل يعمل كاتبا مسرحيا أيضا. Okay, so also, so here we have لم, we have the negative particle, we have يعمل, and then we have فحسب, and then we have فقط, or أيضا or كذلك. So in number 2 here, blank يحضر الندوة. Nadwa is symposium. So he didn't attend the symposium only, but he oversaw the debate as well. ثلاثة, blank المهم. Now in this sentence we don't have a verb at the beginning, so we're going to use ليس here. Blank المهم أن تقرأ الكتاب. So it isn't important to read the book, only to read the book. Okay, بل أن تفهمه, but to understand it as well. 4, نجيب محفوظ من أهم كتاب القصة في العالم العربي. blank بسبب موضوعاته القيمة. blank بسبب براعته الفنية. blank. So Naguib Mahfouz is among the most important Arab or the most important short story writers in the Arab world, not because of his valuable topics alone, but because of his artistic ingenuity as well. 5, blank يسافر أخي إلى لندن. blank سافر إلى باريس. Now notice here سافر in the second part of the sentence is past tense. So that's going to indicate what type of what type of negative particle we're going to use at the beginning. يسافر, he traveled. My brother travels to London. blank he traveled to Paris as well. 6, طه حسين مشهور. طه حسين is famous. Not only in Egypt, okay, blank في مصر, blank, but in all parts of the Arab world. blank في جميع أنحاء العالم العربي. In 7 we have blank يكتب يوسف إدريس القصة القصيرة. blank كتب المقالة والرواية. blank. So here كتب is in the past tense, so that's going to indicate the negative particle we use at the beginning. So Yusuf Idris didn't write the short story, didn't only write the short story, but he wrote the article and the novel as well. 8, blank نشتري البيت الواقع غرب النيل. blank اشترينا البيت الواقع شرق النيل. blank. So here again اشترينا, past tense, that's going to indicate the negative particle at the beginning. We didn't buy the house located west of the Nile only, but we bought the house located on the east of the Nile as well. 9 blank المهم أن تشتري كتبا كثيرة blank بل أن تقرأها وتستوعبها blank. So here again we have al-muhim. This is a noun, not a verb. So that's going to indicate the negative particle that we're going to use. So it's not important to purchase many books. It's not only important to purchase many books, but to read them and to understand them and to extract information from them as well. 10 صديقنا كريم جدا. Our friend is very generous. لم يصحبنا إلى الكازينو. So he didn't only accompany us to the casino, but he invited us to visit him in his house as well. 11 لم يرسل لها رسالة blank. He didn't only send her a letter blank أرسل لها برقية blank, but he also sent her a cable as well. 12 هو لا يهتم بدراسة الشعر. He doesn't consider important the study of poetry. He doesn't only consider the study of poetry important, but he writes it, okay, as well, i.e. as well. I hope that helps. مع السلامة.